Do you lie in bed, staring at the ceiling, wishing your mind would just slow down? Do you keep turning from side to side, feeling tired, yet unable to fall asleep? Or is it that every night, the moment you close your eyes, your thoughts become louder? If yes, stay with me. Because as a sonologist who studies the body's internal rhythms, I want to tell you exactly why this happens and how melatonin, your brain cannot shift into sleep mode. Another reason is blue light exposure, especially from mobile D deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, sleep apnea, chronic pain, and even mild dehydration can affect sleep quality. But for most people, the issues are lifestyle-based and very treatable. Now let's move to the good part, the solution. After years of patients asking, "Doctor, what is the best natural thing I can do to fall asleep easily?" Here is the remedy that consistently works and is backed by genuine research. Warm Chamomile-Cinnamon Sleep Tonic. This is safe, gentle, and improves sleep onset by relaxing the nervous system and enhancing natural melatonin release. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water. 1 chamomile elf signals the body that it is time to unwind. How to prepare and use it. Heat a cup of water, add chamomile and a pinch of cinnamon. Let it steep for 5 minutes. Add honey only after the water cools slightly. Never add honey to boiling water. Drink this 30 to 40 minutes before bedtime. Most people start feeling calmer, lighter, and sleepier after 10 to 15 minutes. Along with this remedy, here are my doctor recommendations to fix your sleep cycle naturally. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid phones 45 minutes before bed. Dim your room lights after dinner. Avoid caffeine after 3 p.m. Eat your last meal at least 3 hours before sleeping. Keep your bedroom cool. Research shows cooler temperatures improve sleep onset. Deep breathing for 2 minutes can shift your body from fight or flight to rest and digest. And remember, if your sleep problems persist for more than 4 weeks, or you wake up gasping, snore loudly, or feel tired even after 8 hours, you may need further medical evaluation. But in most cases, this remedy and routine can transform your nights within a few days.